In-person conferences continue to be a great place to not only network with peers and talk to other people that are experiencing the same work problems as you, workarounds, fixes, but it's really having access to the speakers and trainers that join us, both Microsoft product team members and third-party speakers. It's a time that you get to ask questions during the sessions. You get to talk with them after. You get to hound them in the hallways, sit with them at lunch, talk to them at our after hours events. That's the main thing that we hear about from attendees that they don't get from the virtual training. They can't get or aren't getting from a lot of the user group meetings. That interaction, that in-person interaction, and that in-depth one-on-one training that they get when they're on site with us at a conference.
Yeah, and then I think the ability to ask questions and chat with the people. The speakers there are all experts. Most of the time, they've seen the issue you're having. They've heard about it. You may not be the only one having it. If you get to a show where there's Microsoft people, now you get an opportunity to talk to them about the product, talk about pros and cons from your viewpoint about the product, maybe get a little sense of what's coming down the pike. So the interaction is a key thing.